Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. Today I am here in another Achukmi hotel. Yes, the rooster has already given the alarm of, going ahead and trying out these delicious recipes. All of them are pork today, just to let you know. It is not something which we consciously bought, but this is what the store had until now. And let's unpack these banana wrapped dishes. This is some pork kappa. Yeah, it's basically pork cooked with an alkaline solution called kalchi, which I keep mentioning throughout my channel. Yeah, the recipe is up there and I'll put it up in the cards so that you can go and have a look at the recipe. There are alternate options as well for khat, which is basically cooking soda. And let's see what we have in this wrap. Yeah, this is pork liver. Don't it look so delicious? Yeah, you can see this fat literally floating and will make out into a delicious creamy dish. I'm sure this tastes good. Then we have this is pork fry. Again, most of the dishes look similar as all of them are green in color today. And then some more pork here. I guess this is fried too. Did we buy 2 pork fries? Yeah. One. You want some?
No. You want?
Fry.
Fry.
Okay.
Here. Since there are 2. So this is my rice. Yeah, I have Mona and Plateau who are sitting opposite. I'm just going to show them.
Hello.
They started with their lunch while I was adjusting the camera. And here is the rice. I'm going to plate all the dishes on this banana wrap rice. I wish I had some chicken dishes to show you guys as well. However, that's for another time. And this is going to be really good. This smells really nice. I'm going to keep the kappa here. And here I have some dal which is just boiled. This is the regular masoor dal or red lentils which has been boiled. I'm just going to put everything over and then move it down, park aside. And let me put some kappa on the side. Here you go. Now it's time for me to dig in. Today we are here near Nehu campus, and just before you hit the Nehu campus gate in Tura, there are this on the way from Tura, these Achukmi hotels. I think about 3 or 4 of them are lined up on the left hand side of the road. We have tried out this place earlier, and I think the other day we bought some chicken dishes on our way to Chibagre. I have not made any video of those because I just wanted to chill and relax. And if you have watched my previous video where I was traveling from Bangalore to Tura, I had a really delicious lunch at Rajapara. So I'm going to try out all this meat. Like I mentioned, the liver is really creamy. But not super soft. I guess that's because of the type of meat. We are so used to eating chicken liver, which literally melts in your mouth, but this one is slightly chewy. So I'm going to go ahead and dig in one dish at a time. These kind of Achukmi hotels are quite common throughout Garo Hills, and they're pretty clean as compared to a lot of restaurants that you would see in the cities. These are all home cooked food. They generally cook about 6 to 8 dishes, and they open up pretty early in the morning, probably from 7 a.m. Yeah, we are more of a rice eating people, so we enjoy opening up our meals as well for the day, and with the breakfast being rice itself, just like the South Indians. So don't be shocked, and I hope you're enjoying watching this video. I'm pretty soon going to cover pork liver dish on my channel. I hope I can cover it ASAP. These are not available in Bangalore, so I'm really looking forward to it. Are you? I'll help myself with some chilies. These boxes are so tight. Oh no! Inchi sa help ka wo. Hello. Some green chilies to kick in the spice. It's a simple pork fry, which is made with, yeah, they have added peppercorns. I can see a lot of green chilies in it, and then yeah, I can smell a little bit of masala. Probably they have added cumin seeds or cumin powder. This is good. The meat could have been slightly tender. Yeah. I believe they should have cooked for another 20 minutes. This one is spicy and hot. I think I haven't eaten so many pork dishes at a time for a very long time. And if you want to try out any kind of pork recipes from Northeast India, I have a full playlist to try. I'm sure there will be recipes which will definitely suit your palate. So putting it up in the cards, do check them out and let me know what you think. And if you have enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button if you really liked it, or else just dislike if you did not. I'm going to shift gears in some time and move to the pork khappa. So just going to take this entire banana wrapped pork and pour it over my rice. Yeah, I eat a lot. I'm not sure if my plate is visible for you guys, but I'm sure the aroma from the khalchi is to die for. And of course, this is the way we enjoy our chili pork. Yeah, I would say this is a local chili pork recipe all the way from Garo Hills. So we traveled about 10-15 kilometers from Tura before we decided to, you know, stop over here and have our lunch. The best part of vlogging through phone, it's pretty handy, and you can just start vlogging anywhere that you want to. I hope you have watched my Nazing Bazaar video. If you haven't yet, please go ahead and check it out. That way you'll get to learn a lot about you know, what people generally eat in at least the Garo Hills part of Meghalaya. Look at the fat. I enjoy eating pork fry with some sticky rice, also locally known as meenal. However, it's not available at this point in time. If you are enjoying this Achukmi Hotel mukbang, do let me know. And so guys, please go ahead and recommend places where I can go and eat in and around Tura. I am really looking forward to it. I think after COVID, there are a lot of this tiny nooks where we used to get delicious food have shut down. But if there are any new ones that has opened up, don't forget to let me know in the comments. I'll really look forward to your recommendations. One of my favorite things about these kind of, you know, I would say restaurants, or you know, what do you call this, tiny nooks that you get all over Garo Hills, is that they are really, the people are really humble, and you know, they try to keep their place as neat within, you know, the capacity, and they are pretty clean, I must say, and they are not stinky at all, despite of not, you know, the sanitization is at peak. At least in the Garo Hills part of Meghalaya. Yeah, that's what I will say, because I haven't traveled to Khasi Hills for a very long time. So do not hesitate to, you know, if you are hungry, do not hesitate to stop by any of these shops and just ask for what are the recipes that they have, because there is no writing as such. You know, you just have to go and ask what are the dishes that are available at that time, and they are going to let you know. So go ahead and explore and try out these kind of dishes. But for all my vegetarian friends, yeah, there are hardly any options. Most of the dishes that we will have will be pork, or you know, chicken, or beef based. So really less option for vegetarian people. I'm almost full. I'm full. I'm not almost full. I generally do not appreciate throwing food, but after eating almost how many plates? 1, 2, 3, 4 plates. Ah. I think I'm going to quickly finish this pork liver as my dessert. The gravy is very creamy. And there's a slight bitter taste to it, which any liver from, you know, poultry or red meat, or sorry, from poultry or lamb you will get. I must give this place a big thumbs up. I would have really given it 5 out of 5 had the, you know, the pork fry would have been slightly tender. The meat was a little hard for my palate. However, I really enjoyed the kappa and the liver fry. And the dal was a complimentary. They are not serving it. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe by clicking on the red subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a like if you have enjoyed it. Also, drop in your comments, and I'll be looking forward to, you know, covering more Achukmi hotels over a period of time. But guys, with all your support, you know, of recommending me those nooks where you guys enjoy your food the most, don't you know, hesitate to type in where the place is. I'll go and figure them out and let you know how the food was. Until then, I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.